Still searching for the perfect final year project? Your search ends here. Welcome to Techpro Solutions, where innovation meets engineering excellence. We don't just build projects, we create innovative solutions that prepare students for real-world engineering challenges. At Techpro Solutions, we develop industry-oriented IEEE projects using the latest technologies, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, IoT, embedded systems, robotics, web development, computer vision, digital twin technology, cybersecurity, and automation. Every project is designed with practical applications, giving students valuable hands-on experience and technical knowledge. Let's explore one of our innovative projects, an AI-based digital twin for electric vehicle motor health monitoring. Electric vehicles depend on brushless DC motors, also known as BLDC motors, for efficient and reliable performance. However, factors such as high temperature, excessive vibration, overload, and voltage fluctuations can gradually reduce motor efficiency and eventually lead to failure. Detecting these problems at an early stage is essential for improving safety and reducing maintenance costs. In our project, the user provides important motor parameters such as speed, voltage, current, temperature, vibration, torque, and load conditions. These operating values are analyzed by a trained artificial intelligence and machine learning model that identifies hidden patterns, detects abnormal conditions, and predicts the overall health of the motor. The prediction is displayed through an interactive 3D digital twin, which acts as a virtual replica of the actual motor. Users can monitor motor performance in real time, visualize operating conditions, and receive early warning alerts before a serious failure occurs. This enables predictive maintenance, improves efficiency, increases equipment lifespan, and minimizes unexpected downtime. This project demonstrates how artificial intelligence, machine learning, embedded systems, IoT, and digital twin technology work together to solve real industrial problems. It is one of the many innovative IEEE projects developed by Techpro Solutions for engineering students. We provide complete project development, source code, hardware implementation, software development, IEEE paper support, documentation, presentation slides, Viva preparation, and one-to-one technical guidance from experienced engineers. Whether you are pursuing diploma, BE, B.Tech, ME, M.Tech, MCA, or M, we are here to help you succeed. Techpro Solutions. If you want your project, get it from our experts. Phone 087784 34582. Techpro Solutions, turning ideas into innovation.